Season 1 of Semiosis 101 has already made some semiotic impact around the world. Since launching in 2022, I have been contacted by design lecturers as far afield as China who have used Semiosis 101 videos as a resource to teach semiotic theory to new generations of designers and illustrators. Now, to facilitate more of these direct impacts, I have placed semiotic resources on a Semiosis 101 Substack. Now, some of these resources are free and some are paid subscription. This Substack resource will be added to over the coming months. The free resources will be in the form of video transcripts, while for paid subscribers, apart from the cool Semiosis 101 exclusive subscriber gifts, you'll get access to extra semiotic content, writings and comprehensive annotated semiosis reading lists. The Substack link is in the description below and from the Scouse-Scot website too.